guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a lot of new items to share with you guys. Right now we have the Coffee Lovers blog hop going on. So I have a special coupon code that you can use for 15% off your order. The code is Coffee Hop and that lasts through the duration of the Coffee Hop. I'll have the link in the description box if you want to hop along and link up your card. There's lots of prizes to win, so it's a really fun hop. So I got some new Gerda Steiner design stamps in. This one is their holiday snail stamp set, which is super cute. We have a Merry Christmas sentiment, belated, and a Happy New Year sentiment. This cute little snail has a scarf on and Christmas presents piled up on its shell. So cute. This one's brand new from them. It's called Sending Hugs. It's got this sweet little snowman holding a little bird, and then there's some more birds that you can stamp around. Maybe stamp one on top of its hat. That would be really cute. There's little bird marks, so you can have them in the snow, like the birds are walking around. We've got a rabbit and a squirrel hugging. And the sentiments, days are better when you're around. Sending love and wishes, winter, hugs, warm, and your way. So you could kind of mix and match and make your own sentiment. I do have the coordinating die, and all the Gerda Steiner Designs dies come on a magnetic sheet, perfect for storing them away. This is also another brand new one. It's called Hedgehog with Gifts. So we got 3 cute little hedgehogs. There's a gift that they're starting to open. Another one here. The sentiments, thank you for thinking of me. Hashtag you're the best for the thoughtful gift. And then some more hashtags. Really cute. And then we've got coordinating die as well. And this one is so adorable. This is the Happy Holidays Penguins. I love the row of penguins, and they're each holding a little sign that spells happy. And then you can pair it up with Happy Holidays from all of us. You can have on there. There's winter and another happy. That's really cute. And then the coordinating die for that one as well. I had picked up this single stamp here. It's from Creative Expressions called Winter Trees. I just thought it was really pretty how detailed the trees are. Look at the detail on that. They're rubber. They already have the foam on it, ready for stamping. And I thought these would be so stunning on a card. We've got new from CC Designs. There's some really cute ones in here. This is the reindeer, and these are the little Swissies. She's all dressed up as a reindeer, and she's holding a little bell. And the sentiments read, brace your reindeer, Christmas is near. Reindeer wishes for this Christmas. Believe in the magic of the season and jingle all the way. These two are super cute. So we've got the Mrs. Claus and the Santa Claus, and he's got his nice and naughty list. To all a good night, Santa, I've been good, ho ho ho, and naughty or nice. And then this one's got the big plate of cookies, and the sentiments read, have a holly jolly Christmas, wishing you a merry making, cookie baking, heart-filled, family-loving Christmas. I love that sentiment. Have a sweet Christmas, and have a sugar cookie Christmas. So those are really cute. And then another one to go along with those, we've got the elf. We've got elves make Christmas happen, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Their larger stamp set is the Christmas animals and then the coordinating die. And look how cute these little critters are. There's some little add-ons in here to help you create a scene. We've got the sentiment, a partridge in a pear tree, Merry Christmas, not a creature was stirring, on the first day of Christmas, and for my dear friend at Christmas. And then we've got two standalone dies. This one is your stackable die with stitching, and that one's called the Deco Square. And then I really like this one. This one is the spotty background, but perfect for snow. And you could probably use the negative or the positive on this die cut on your card. There's two paper pads. So we've got the Christmas paper pad and the Happy Holidays paper pad. And then we've got some new stamps from Darcie's. So this one is called the Santa List. We've got the Figgy Pudding. We've got the Cardinal in Wreath and North Pole Pals. So they're all really, really cute. There are coordinating tin pins that you can pick up. They're little tin pins that you can glue onto your image's face and color it up to match the tin pin, and it gives it some nice dimension and a fun look. So this one features a cute little penguin and a polar bear. There's a little coffee there, or hot cocoa, a hat you can put on the guy, and a little present that they could be holding. There's a little North Pole sign and the sentiments to a perfect friend. And thank you for the gift. Warm winter wishes. The Figgy Pudding. So we've got a little drink here, and the mug is a reindeer head. There's two straws in there. We've got the little figgy puddings here, and the sentiment: bring us some figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. Every day is a gift. Some days is fruitcake. And then we've got Happy Holidays. And then the cute little cardinal. You can put a little hat on the bird. And then the sentiments read: may your holidays be filled with blessings. May your holidays be wreathed in joy. Cardinals appear when angels are near. And then this one, we've got the little gingerbread cookie with a little Santa hat, the Naughty Nice list, and Santa peeking out of this window. We've got wishing you everything on your list and more, and gingerbread hugs, peppermint kisses, and holiday wishes. I like that sentiment. So we've got some great new products from Whimsy. So this is very thoughtful. So we've got, I think there's 3 fairies. Yes, so we've got Fairy Sweet. Kind of get an idea how big they are. This is Fairy Grace. So really, really cute. Let's see, this is an A2 size card right here. So you can kind of see how big the images are. So I would say this would make up your card. Just put the image, color it up, and then add your sentiment and call it done, because that's a really nice size image for your card. We got some beautiful new dies. This is the Elegant Snowflake die, and I think this is so gorgeous. Look at this. It's huge. It's perfect for a slimline card or a large card. You could use it on an A2 size card. You'll just have to use, you know, part of it. But look at that detail. How pretty is that? And the card samples for this look beautiful. This is a stencil, clusters, and I love a twinkle, so this is really, really a nice stencil to have. So add some twinkles to your skies. And then we've got the Slimline Scenic Countryside die set. So this one is selling out. So I'm sorry if you stopped by and it's already sold out. It comes with all these little pieces here to create a little scene, and it has this nice thick frame with embossed corners there, and then it's got some hills here. This one's back in stock, the Slimline Scenic Window die. Really pretty, nice thick frame. We've got some dotting, some scallops, so lots of detail on there on the edge here. Really pretty. let me get to the other new items before I show you the ones that I restocked. So this one is new. This is the Magical Winter stamp set. I got the snowman, the stars, and the little trees. So you can make a nice little scene with that. And this one's really, really beautiful. Check out the card samples for this one. It is so pretty. So you get these beautiful baubles, the little strings, the little swag. We've got Merry Christmas, and then in different fonts. And the die goes with this. It's just perfect to cut these out. And then it also has this piece here. It's really, really pretty. This new paper pad, this is really gorgeous. I think there might be one left. It's called Blurry Flurries, and I love it. It's got the bokeh effect in there. So pretty. So these are the ones I restocked, the Slimline Fancy Frame die. This is a newer one. Really, really pretty. I love the little, almost looks like clouds on the end there. And you can cut these pieces apart so you can use them with each other or without. We've got these layers here that have dotting, and then this nice banner. The Slimline Cityscape die. So we've got a nice row of city buildings. The outline here there's clouds, there's a little plane, there's cars, and a road. So that's really nice. And then the Slimline Birthday Scallops die. So that one is back in stock. It's got the inward frame, the inward scallop frame. The Slimline Bunting Borders die set. So that's really nice too. Perfect for the Slimline card. You could also use it on an A2 size card. You'll just have to cut it down. The Slimline Scallop die. So another nice die from Whimsy. And the Slimline Stars background. Really, really pretty. I think this one's perfect for like a night scene, and just maybe some critters looking up at the sky to go with that. So those are the new items in the shop, guys. Lots of new stuff. I did restock the Copic marker refills. I have tons of colors now. So if you're looking for some refills, I created a new section under other scrappy goodness, and you'll see the section there, Copics and / refills. So I will be getting some Copic markers in as well. I'm going to put an order in tomorrow. If there's a certain color you want, leave it in the comments box down below, and I'll see if I can get that color for you. So I hope you guys had a nice weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.